Hey friends, I just want to do a quick comparison between this Dyson, this is the Dyson Ball Multi-Floor 2, and this Shark rotator vacuum. Now both of these are really nice, small little vacuums that you use for kind of the daily cleaning in your house. And both of them are decent, but even though the Dyson is more of a premium vacuum, I'll be totally honest, I would go with the Shark every single time. Now here's why. The Dyson Ball, one of the main features that makes it really good is obviously the ball pivoting down here. You can kind of rotate things around and it really helps you get in and around tight spaces, underneath tables, things like that. So overall, it's a good vacuum and that is the main feature that we have really liked. But the main problem that I've experienced with this guy is the hose attachment. Now, as you can see, it comes up the back here and comes out of the top. And honestly, I've had really hard problems with this getting clogged up, as well as this actually not being able to slot correctly and store properly on this back handle area when you put the hose back down. As you can see, it kind of comes up here when this cord is unraveled. And that's the other thing, the cord is raveled around this, just makes it a little bit difficult to get to. Now the suction is good, but again, the cylinder is actually very small. So I find myself having to empty this quite a bit. Now the Shark, although it doesn't have the ball joint to really help you get in and around things, it still offers a lot of rotation. And so I find I'm really not missing all the added maneuverability potentially of the Dyson. Now this thing has, obviously you can see, a much larger cylinder to contain things. You do have to empty it quite often as well if you have a larger house. But again, we find that just that extra amount of space over the Dyson really helps. And again, I've never really had any problems with this thing. The hose comes out of the back here. It actually lifts straight out. And it really just never has given me any kind of clogging problems. It just seems to work great all the time. And again, we've used this for years. So there you go, friends. Again, in our opinion, the Shark is just a better vacuum. We really like it. Dyson Ball, decent, but if we had to choose between the two, we're gonna go with the Shark every time. Hope that helps make your buying decision just a little bit easier.